So in this video, we're going to continue on with the unit circle that we started, and we are going to focus on trying to find these first three coordinates as we work through here in the first quadrant. Okay, so to find the coordinates here, I want you to notice that this is a 30-degree triangle, and we said that our radius is 1. So this just looks like the warm-up problem that we started with. Right, so to go to the short leg, we are going to divide by 2. So that's going to make this 1/2, which is going to be our y coordinate. And then to go long leg, we're going to do root 3 over 2 as our x coordinate. When we go to the 45, 45, 90 triangle, the same thing, right? We said that both one of them are exactly the same. So it's root 2 over root 2. And then in the third one, we create another 30, 60, 90 triangle, which is just rotated around from what we had at 30 degrees. So our x coordinate is going to be 1/2. And our y coordinate is going to be root 3 over 2. Okay, so if you think about in the first quadrant, the signs of our points are always positive, positive. In the second quadrant, they're going to be negative, positive. In the third quadrant, they're going to be negative, negative. And in the fourth quadrant, they're going to be positive and negative. So as you go through and we fill in the rest of these points, they're all going to be repeats of these points that we have in the first quadrant. So we just repeat these points over and over and over, except we are just going to change our signs. So this point matches up here. We just change the x coordinate to negative, so it's going to be negative 1/2 root 3 over 2. Do the same thing. This will be negative root 2 over 2. Root 2 over 2. And again, just change the sign, negative 3 over root 3 over 2, and 2, and positive 1/2. And then for the rest of it, we are just going to go through and change the signs again. But they're all just copies of a 30, 60, 90 triangle and a 45, 45, 90 triangle. All right, so what I want you to do now is take a few minutes and pause this video and go ahead and fill in the rest of the points on the unit circle. Doing filled in the unit circle, take a few minutes and you can check here the rest of it. In the next video, we are going to look at how exactly do we use the unit circle and how do we use these coordinates to help us find the trig function. But before you move on, make sure your unit circle is completely filled in. Thank you.